Hey guys, all right, let's continue what we were talking about yesterday with this trend. Take a look at our middle time frame here. See where I drew that trend that goes all the way down to that high time frame support level. At that moment in time, that was the plan of action, right? Look at how this reacted here. Here's where we thought the supply zone was. Here's where we thought it was going to go to, but look what happened. Huge gap up out of nowhere. There's no way of telling that that was going to happen, but the plan was if this supply zone got broken, then we would continue the uptrend, and that's exactly what happened here. So we were expecting price to push down further to this 50 simple moving average, and it simply didn't do that. It pulled back into TrendCloud, and you can see those high time frame TrendCloud signals, 1, 2, 3 right there. So that was giving us a heads up. The momentum shift gave us a heads up as well. And again, there was no way to really see that happen in real time, right? There was no way to really see that this was going to break to the upside overnight. You'll never be able to see something like that. But we did say if this supply zone gets broken, then we're going to continue to the upside. And again, that's exactly what TrendCloud allowed us to see. So we had a plan from the very beginning, and we executed that plan, and that's all that you can do, right? But you have to have a plan. If you look at the context of the highest time frame on that 4-hour chart, you're going to see a pullback into TrendCloud and an impulse up. So that's exactly what happened here. And that's why it's important to understand the context of that high time frame. So that's it for now. We'll go look at the other video that I made on Sunday and can piece that together with this video and follow this trade from the very beginning. Thanks everybody. Talk to you next time.